Okay, so that example that we just saw was our one solution, right? It's just one answer. Okay, so we are going to try another one here. So our number 2 is going to be 30 plus 6p. 30 plus 6p equals 7 times the quantity p plus 6. 7 times the quantity p plus 6. All right, so if I start with my original thing, we are going to draw our barrier. We are going to draw our barrier. Our second step is to distribute. So there's nothing on this side to distribute, so I'm just going to bring this puppy down. All right, this side has a number outside of parentheses though, so let's distribute. So I have 7 times p, which is 7p. And then I have 7 times positive 6, which is positive 42. So I have 7p plus 42. And then, like I said, we want to get, there's nothing to combine on this side. There's nothing to combine on this side. So we need to isolate that variable. So I need to move this over to this side. So the inverse of that entire term is negative 7p. So that's going to be subtracted. Negative 7p is going to be on both sides. This cancels out, leaving us with 42. I have 30, and this one's a little bit harder. That's going to be a 1, and it's going to be negative. So again, it's a two-step equation. I'm still isolating the variable. This is what I want to get alone, so this needs to move. The inverse is minus 30 on both sides. Negative 1p equals, oopsies, 12, and it's positive. Now I have a negative here, so I'm going to divide by negative 1. So p equals negative 12. So p equals negative 12. All right. So again, this is another one where it's one solution. This is another one where it's one solution. So let's see, let's do another one. So number 3 is going to be, 12x plus 38. 12x plus 38 equals negative 3 times the quantity, negative 6 minus 4x. Negative 3 times the quantity, negative 6 minus 4x. All right. So let's draw our barrier. Let's start there. And then we need to distribute. There is nothing to distribute on this side. So let's bring that all down. And then let's distribute over here. So negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. Negative 3 times negative 4x is positive 12 and x. So there is nothing to combine, right? There's nothing here to combine. There's nothing here to combine. So we are going to move on to step 4, which is isolating that variable. So I want to move this over here. So the inverse of plus 12 is minus 12 on both sides. Sorry, minus 12x. Take that x with it. So 36 equals 18. Well, that doesn't work. So this is going to be no solution.